Why are investors putting huge money into Manus AI? Here's the simple explanation beginners can understand. Start by understanding that Manus AI became popular because it can automate complex tasks like research, planning, coding, and workflows with very little human input. That's why many investors saw it as a big opportunity in the AI industry. Next, Manus AI received funding from major investors like Benchmark, Tencent, HSG, and Gen Fund. In 2025, Benchmark reportedly led a $75 million funding round that valued the company at around $500 million. After that, the company reportedly grew very fast, with estimates saying Manus reached around $100 million in annual recurring revenue from subscriptions and AI services. Finally, Meta later moved to acquire Manus AI in a deal reportedly worth over $2 billion because big tech companies want stronger AI agents that can actually perform tasks automatically. Now you know the simple reason investors backed Manus AI. People believe AI agents that automate real work could become a huge business in the future.